Does this become the new template for Canada?
Well, I think it's really important for infrastructure in general. It shows to the critical nature of infrastructure and the regulatory issues, whether in Canada or in the United States, that have pushed pipeline projects off. And pipelines are done for the economic benefit of society as a whole. It's not just for the pipeline companies. And I think this move in Canada, this move by Kinder Morgan to let Canada take it and get this project done is really important and shows how important energy infrastructure is in North America.
We would take a look at, say, the MLP ETF, the Alarian. I mean, it just has not really performed particularly well. How do you see that going forward in light of the fact that we could have more government action within the pipeline space?
Yeah, I think it's important to note that pipelines are being built every day. Permits are being given to these companies. We get a lot of headlines about what doesn't get done, but it's happening, and energy infrastructure is being built out. Mm-hmm. I think that the midstream companies, the MLPs, have several other issues that have been plaguing them that they are working through, whether it's leverage or corporate governance or structural simplification, all of which are happening. But that's why that sector has stayed depressed.
Well, good point. So in theory, the macro conversation is you want to be investing in pipelines because we have takeaway capacity issues in the Permian, so that's going to be where all the money is going to be spent. On the idiosyncratic side, though, you've had parent MLPs being rolled up but by their parents, and that's created some dislocations in the space. How would you play those two trends?
Yeah, I think that what you want to look for is mission critical infrastructure, whether it's coming from the Permian or the Scoop Stack in Oklahoma, even areas in the Bakken, in the Marcellus up here in the Northeast. There are areas all over the country where we're under takeaway capacity, because remember, these are all new supply sources, right, in the last 10 years. Energy technology has led us to these massive new sources. We are going to be the major exporter of all these hydrocarbons, and we need the infrastructure to be put in place.